Hi, my name is Shelby Robison. I am 20 years old and I recently just returned home from my mission in the New York, North Mission. This is my first semester here at BYU Idaho. Why I'm at BYU Idaho is to study to become a recreational therapist. A recreational therapist is a therapist who creates programs um, specifically for those who have various disabilities, such as mental, physical, emotional disabilities. The programs that the therapist creates are catered towards their hobbies and interests, as well as being able to help them cope with their everyday life of living with this disability and be able to be a part of the community and uh, be able to achieve their daily tasks. The required education for becoming a physical or a recreational therapist is to receive a bachelor's degree in recreational therapy or related fields such as psychology. You must obtain a formal internship as well through summer camps and various other organizations. Summer camps are the easiest ones to gain an internship at and be able to gain that experience, as well as you need to pass a certified exam. And part of my 4-year plan here at BYUI is to be able to take the necessary courses required for recreational therapy, as well as be prepared to take the NCTRC exam, and be able to find an internship throughout my 4 years here. Why I'm majoring in psychology? I am majoring in psychology because it's a great way for me to understand how to become a better therapist and understand these people that I will be working with on a more emotional and mental level, as well as psychology is a great degree to receive a bachelor's in, as well as if I wanted to go further into grad school. In chapter 13, it explains those reasons very simply. These are just a few of the ones that I thought of as well. I really like psychology because it will allow me as well to figure out who I am and be able to then in turn help those figure out who they are. To, like I said, receive a bachelor's degree in psychology will help me prepare for a good job and as well help me to apply to grad school. And that is why I want to become a recreational therapist. And I'm really excited.